Is prosperity of life the right business opportunity for you or not? Hi, this is Rupesh and welcome to this video review of prosperity of life. So I've created a presentation on this business program and I hope that it answers any of the questions that you may have. If you have any other further comments or questions, please leave it below this video and I'll definitely get back to you. Enjoy. So today we're going to be talking about the prosperity of life business opportunity. Is it for you or not? Some of the things we're going to be talking about is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying into? And what are the alternatives out there? Stick around till the end of the video because you're going to have all the information that you need to make an informed decision. But I also have a free gift for you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch right up until the end. Okay, so what is this program all about? Right, so the Prosperity of Life company, Prosperity of Life is a high-ticket personal development and online business platform founded by Shane and Rachel Kreider. It combines mindset coaching with affiliate-style selling, where members buy expensive digital courses and then they can earn commissions by reselling them to others. The core message is simple: transform your thinking to transform your life and your income. With daily motivation, mentorship, and live events, it promises emotional, lifestyle, and financial freedom. But behind the positive messaging lies a sales-driven structure that heavily relies on recruitment. So while its pitch is a journey of growth, the business model leans more towards marketing than mindset. The core products is, of course, digital mindset courses like the Beyond Freedom Evolution, the online business system. The core industry is in personal development and high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the core business model is pay-to-play affiliate licensing. Okay, so now let's just talk about affiliate marketing. How does that work? Affiliate marketing, it's a way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. So when someone clicks your special link and they make a purchase, you earn a commission. There's no product creation or customer service needed. So it's like being a digital middleman. You recommend, they buy, you earn. So how does the Prosperity of Life program work? Well, the first thing is you're going to have to discover the system. This happens when you visit the website and you watch their ad, or you can opt in after that. You watch the video which features the founders. You're going to see some success stories. Then you get a chance to book a call with a business coach. And this is where you get invited to purchase the high-ticket digital courses. Then you can buy a license. This is where you can become an affiliate and unlock commissions. Then it's all about promoting the Prosperity of Life system using the done-for-you system. You recruit others, and by doing so, you can earn from product sales and pass up commissions. Now, I'm going to show you the compensation plan. It's a high-ticket commission model, and this is where you can earn from 40 to 80% on product sales, but only on those that you have personally purchased, right? And then they have a pass-up sales system. That means your first 1 to 2 sales are passed up to your sponsor above you to qualify you for commissions, and thereafter you can start earning. There is licensing that is required. You must pay for a license to resell and earn. Obviously, if there's no license, you're not going to earn any commission. The big commission potential is where you can earn up to $8,000 per sale if you are all in on products. You can earn recurring revenue, monthly commissions available from your online business system. And it's recruitment focused. The more people you recruit and get to duplicate them to do the same, the more you're going to earn. And the backend offers and events additional income from live events and upgrades, but you often need to attend or purchase these events yourself. Now we come to an important question. Is prosperity of life a scam? Right, so prosperity of life offers real digital personal development products and has a visible leadership team. They have live events and success stories. So, by definition, it is not a scam. However, many of its business practices sit in the gray area. Most of the income potential comes from recruiting others who also pay for high ticket products, not just product sales to regular customers. So, this pay to play structure, the vague pricing until later in the funnel, and strict refund policies, they raise red flags. So while it's not an illegal pyramid scheme, it does lean heavily on recruitment, making it more an MLM than a traditional affiliate marketing business. Bottom line, it's not a scam, but it's definitely not for everyone, especially if you are cautious about high pressure sales or big financial commitments. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of this program. The good parts about the program is that you can earn high ticket commissions. So you can earn from $1,000 to $8,000 plus per sale if you are fully licensed. The personal development focus, the program emphasizes mindset growth, self-belief, and daily motivation. So it's great if you are someone who is passionate about personal improvement, and they have community and live events, so you get access to an active community and international events. Many say the energy and the mentorship from these experiences keep them accountable and inspired. Some of the negative parts about the program is, of course, high financial commitment. You could spend anywhere from $5,000 plus just to get started, and this includes your license fees, your course costs, tools, and possibly the live events. And there's a heavy focus on recruiting. So, to make real money, you often need to recruit others to also buy in, putting that in the M&M gray zone. And there's a lack of upfront transparency. So, important details like pricing, refund policy, and commission structure are only revealed deep into the sales funnel. Okay, so now we come to my verdict. My final verdict: prosperity of life combines personal development and high ticket affiliate marketing. For the right person, the motivation, community, and big commissions may appeal, but the high cost, the recruiting pressure, the vague pricing, and the pay to play model make it risky, especially if you are a beginner. You can get similar personal growth and online business skills without having to break in the bank or pushing friends into high ticket sales. The verdict is that if you love sales, fast paced energy, and can afford the risk, then maybe this might be the right program for you. Are there better alternatives out there? There are alternatives where you don't have to follow complicated plans, compensation plans. You don't have to do any recruiting. You are not pressurized into selling anything, and you don't have to make monthly product purchases. And at this point in time, I like to introduce you to my number one recommendation, which is also high ticket affiliate marketing. And it is also, as I mentioned, a business model where you can sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. The benefits about this business model is that there's no recruiting that's necessary. You don't need to worry about sales support or customer queries. You don't need to own your own product. You can choose which products you really want to promote, and it's 100% online. You can work from anywhere. You choose your hours, whether it's full time or part time. And I'm going to show you something where there is low startup costs in contrast to this product that we talked about. It's a beginner friendly model to learn and to execute. You don't have to focus on turning high volume to reach your income goal. Other benefits about this business model is that there is a passive income earning potential. Once you get to a point where you're earning a sustainable income, You can then decide whether you want to quit your normal 9 to 5, and you can get to create a life on your terms where you can earn both time and location freedom. So the big question is, how do you get started? And the answer is simply by grabbing my free gift. What is my free gift, you might ask? And it is access to a free online course. You don't need your credit card to sign up to this course. You will see proof that it works. In addition to signing up to this free course, you are also going to get my free cool bonuses. And then from there, you can decide what you want to do. But as I said, everything is completely free. Thanks so very much for checking out my Prosperity of Life review. I hope that it has helped you out. Go ahead and like and subscribe to keep up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. And don't forget to claim your free gift that is waiting for you in my pinned comment, or you can click on the link that is in the video description. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. And don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it down this video. I will get back to you. Take care and goodbye.